Made it on the dinghy.
Yep. Get ready to cut loose.
Hey, we're going to Angel Island, y'all.
And we are cut loose. Alrighty.
My Serenity. A lot of weight on it, huh?
It's not the weight, it's the fucking current.
Oh. Yeah. Look at the beautiful ship.
Yes, it is.
We put some scuff marks on it this time.
Hmm?
We put some scuff marks on it this time.
Yep.
The journey to Angel Island.
Look at that beautiful ship.
By all means, the captain should not be rowing us to the island, but I'm chicken shit, so. Beautiful eucalyptus trees. I guess since you're doing the oaring, I'll do the anchor.
Check out the porpoises. God, you missed them. There's 3 of them right there. Alright, that curve. Alright. Time to land.
Well, it's real nice up in here.
Yeah. See, this is where we should have been.
Yeah, but that guy was
The
there.
guy was in the way.
And I did not feel like pulling that anchor up again.
Nope.
Look, they do have bathrooms. Of course.
Sweet. He's cheating. Do this every day.
We
Good workout.
When we were doing Lake Orville every single day on kayaks,
Yeah?
I mean, my shoulders and my back, me and Jeff both swole up. Oh, thank God you got me to do it.
Yeah, you would have kicked yourself in the ass.
I would have hated myself.
Those porpoises are still there. Oh, plus I don't want to get in those rocks when we get on the beach.
Come to say hi? We're not there. No one's home. They're pirates. They come to steal all our stuff. There's our home over there.
There, nice and dry for you. You don't have to worry about getting wet.
Overthinking shit, the coast. We're on Angel Island, y'all. Look it up. We could hit somebody, Lee.
Right? Yeah, he's now on Angel Island.
Overthinking it. I don't need this on no more.
No. Go ahead and bring us up a little bit more. Actually, it's carried over up there. Well, that way. So we can tie it off to this piling. Right here. Go ahead and put her. Yep. Right there.
Boy, that's a beautiful ship.
Yeah, it is. Alrighty. Well, let's take a gander.
Did you remember the money?
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah, about 21 bucks.
This is legit right here, bro. I'm glad I did it. Fuck it.
I knew you'd love it.
I got
See,
a pomegranate on my face
all
right
that
now.
overthinking for nothing.
It's always that way with me, dude. I overthink shit.
They have geese here. Alright, let's see what this says. Rivals from around the world. Afghanistan, Bohemia, Canada, Cyprus, Ecuador, French Indochina, Hong Kong, Jamaica, Mauritius, Norway, Portugal, Tahiti, Venezuela. According to that map I saw, this section over here was where they landed here, and this is where the quarantine station was for immigrants.
Looks like a damn prison almost.
Right? Immigrant Heritage Wall.
Got an eerie feeling right now, like a cool feeling.
In 1910, the immigration station was moved from the San Francisco waterfront to Angel Island. Like Ellis Island in New York, Angel Island offered an isolated location that could be tightly controlled. Unlike Ellis, Angel Island came to symbolize Ooh, that's why you feel the coldness. Angel Island came to symbolize discrimination and exclusion instead of welcome. As the primary point of entry on the west coast, this facility enforced the Chinese Exclusion Act and subsequent federal laws that restricted the immigration of undesirable groups. Wow. Ooh, there's a pretty picture. A lot of Chinese. Huh. Courage, sacrifice, segregation, confinement, bravery, loneliness, frustration, anger. That pretty much is just like prison.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, ow. Watch that step.
This is cool.
Very. It's weird. Detention barracks, hospital monument. What's up there? I wonder. Good morning. Weird. Oh, it's water reservoir.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that dock came out.
Came out 5 ways. Wells, springs, and runoff. Could not supply enough. That's 300,000 gallons.
This place was packed with folks, huh?
Must have, yeah. I wonder how many. Oh, I wonder if we can get a view up there.
That's what I was thinking. We're good.
This is pretty awesome.
Yeah. Nobody I know has ever been on this island.
Starting to get hot.
Yeah.
Smell that eucalyptus.
Yep. Rock here.
Huh. Wow. Except we can't see our ship. Sea lion. Or is that a bird? That's a bird. That's a bird. Oh, there they are. Dolphins.
Ocean's nice and calm.
See the wind's picking up a little bit. Coming out of the east. Nothing over there. Get this impression of a jungle in there. This is a sad thing about our government. This place is supposed to be a state park and a national monument, and yet they allow that.
Yeah.
It'll only take a few, $10,000 to refurbish that roof. Like, come on. Shit, still can't see our ship. Yep. Sour grass. Kids, we used to suck on this. Loaded in vitamin C. Well, your turn. Pick your direction.
Just following the road.
So sours, I remember.
I don't think we can get back down over there because of the fence. Let's see.
Maybe on the other side. Sure, it's got to hook up that road again.
Yeah.
Really? I don't get it. Yeah, I think it's probably up here. So let's see, 3.8, 1.2. So it's 5 miles around.
There's a lot of island to walk around.
Yeah. Post expansion. See, there's a campground that way. Employee residence.
They painted the windows. They just didn't pull the tape off.
Yeah, it's a state at its finest. Make it look like shit.
Oh, they got that lot. They're hanging.
Holy.
Guess they couldn't afford a padlock.
Must be where they keep the fire trucks. The red light. Alright. Cut.
Okay. Oh, you been filming all the time? I've been doing little segments.